Every zip code in America was designed for nuclear war. The post office didn't invent them. The military did. In 1963, the Cold War was heating up. Officials needed to track where Americans lived and which cities the Soviets might target first. So they created a secret mapping system. Each number tells a story. The first digit, your region. Second and third, major cities near you. Last two, your exact neighborhood. It wasn't about mail delivery. It was about population control. If bombs dropped, they'd know instantly how many people lived where, which areas to evacuate first, where to send emergency supplies. The post office just borrowed the system, and we never questioned it. Every time you write your zip code, you're using Cold War surveillance technology, hidden in plain sight. On every envelope, every package, every form you fill out, nuclear war planning became your daily routine.